Yeah, today we are going to East Africa and we are going to make pilau. The ingredients: we need 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 carrot, 2 cups of rice, 2 grams of meat, and 2 potatoes. If you haven't subscribed yet, I suggest that you subscribe. Click upon notifications button for notifications, like, share and comment. I start by browning the meat just to make sure that it gets brown on both sides to seal the moisture. Beautiful. And then I add about half liter of water and cook the meat until it gets tender. Just cook in the low temperature. Just bring it to boil and then I cook in the low temperature until it gets tender. I'm going to use this stock, so I'm not going to cook the stock out of, I'm just only wanted to make the meat to cook together with to get that tender. And I cut my onions, just chop small pieces. And I cut some carrots. Yes, here I'm just only cutting roughly. I don't care how they look like. I just cut them. You can cut nicely if you want, but I'm not just. I think it's okay. Then I just mix vegetable oil and olive oil. I make sure that the temperature is okay. It's not so very. At this time I need to bring up this temperature, but then I reduce the temperature so that my onions will not burn. So just to make sure that the temperature is medium is very important, because if the temperature is too high, then the onions will start to burn and it will not be good. It will start to smell, it will not taste good. So I make sure that I brown my onions. I can see that until I fry until I see the onions is brown. And this time I am just continuing, so that when the onions are being, they caramelize it also, to make sure that they squeeze out that sweetness of onions from the and the pilau will be very good tasting. I add the meat that I've been cooking, because now I add the meat. I'm using pork meat, but you can use beef, you can use any kind of meat here, but just make sure that if you use pork, if you use beef, you make sure that it just get that tender enough to be eaten. And if you make pork, so you reduce the cooking time according to the softness of the meat when you are cooking. So I continue cooking until all the meat is also getting brown and is mixed well. Carrots and let them brown together. The carrots has also some sweetness, that they will add the sweetness in the food, and the taste will be wonderful. I add some garam masala and let it mix together with all the ingredients. Wow, and it is really smelling good right now. Tomatoes, just a little bit of tomatoes. I brown them together. This is wonderful. I just braise together, and I add again a little bit of tomatoes. just to fry them to make sure that they are still, all the tomatoes are just drying inside the meat and the ingredients, so that this is how it will make the food, the meat, taste very good. I can also add some water because I'm not using so much of rice. I think this liquid is enough, but if I need more liquid, I will add some more water. I put some potatoes and rice, but I put some also peanuts because I love peanuts. I put it so that it's my choice. I decided to use peanuts on it, so it will taste very good. I love peanuts. I will add the mixer to the cooking rice cooker pot all together. And I just check if the liquid is okay, the liquid is in the right proportion with the rice, and then I add my rice. And I cook in the rice cooker just to make sure that until the rice is done. Meanwhile, I will come back and I will mix all the mixture together, and then I will cover again until I will mix it and cover again, just to make sure that everything is tender and mixed well before then this is the final result of my pilau or pilaf. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if it is your first time. I would love to know what you think about it.